Hello everybody. Welcome to today's lesson of HTMT ProdTalk. For today's lesson, we're going to study about reporting machine issues. Let's first start with some key vocab of today's lesson. Try to mirror the words and guess the words' meaning in Vietnamese and in English.
SMT machine. Pick and place head. Nozzle. Nozzle clog. Vacuum system. Vacuum pressure. Vacuum pump. Vacuum hose. Hissing sound. Feeder sensor. Sensor lens. Infrared beam. Sensor alignment. Sensor reflector. Component feeder. Component reel. Loose hose.
Have you been able to mirror all the words and get their meanings? Very good. Now let's try one by one. SMT machine. Pick and place head. Nozzle. Nozzle clog. Vacuum system. Vacuum pressure. Vacuum pump. Vacuum hose. Hissing sound. Feeder sensor. Sensor lens. Infrared beam. Sensor alignment. Sensor reflector. Component feeder. Component reel. Loose hose. Let's have a look at the key vocabulary today's lesson one more time. Listen to the word's pronunciation one more time and try to guess the word's meaning in both Vietnamese and in English.
SMT machine. Pick and place head. Nozzle. Nozzle clog. Vacuum system. Vacuum pressure. Vacuum pump. Vacuum hose. Hissing sound. Feeder sensor. Sensor lens. Infrared beam. Sensor alignment. Sensor reflector. Component feeder. Component reel. Loose hose.
Have you got all the words and their meanings? Very good. Now let's move to a dialogue. We will listen to a dialogue about reporting machine issues and try to recap all the vocabulary that we've just learned and get the main ideas together with the details.
Hey, why isn't the machine running?
I don't know. It just stopped.
You don't know? Look at the screen. What does it say?
Oh, it says vacuum pressure low.
That means the pick and place head isn't picking up components properly. Did you check the vacuum pump?
No. But I saw some components falling off the nozzle.
That's because if the vacuum pressure is too low, the nozzle can't hold the components. Did you hear any strange noises?
Yes. There was a hissing sound before the machine stopped.
That could mean a vacuum leak. Let's check the vacuum hoses.
Oh, one of the hoses is loose.
That's the problem. Secure it and restart the vacuum system.
Okay, done. But now the screen says feeder sensor error.
That means the feeder sensor isn't detecting components properly. Did you check if the component reel is correctly installed?
Oh, the reel is slightly misaligned.
That can block the sensor's infrared beam. Adjust it.
Done. But the error is still there.
Maybe the sensor lens is dirty. Try cleaning it.
Okay. But it still doesn't work.
Check the sensor alignment. Is the infrared beam blocked?
Hmm.
Oh,
Oh,
there's
there's
dust on the
dust on
sensor
the sensor
reflector.
reflector.
That'll cause false readings. Clean it and restart.
Yes,
Yes,
it's
it's
working.
working.
Good
Good
job.
job.
But
But let's check if the machine picks up components properly now.
Oh,
Oh,
the pick
the
and
pick and
place
place
head
head keeps missing components.
That
That could be a nozzle clog. Did you inspect the nozzle hole?
No.
No,
Let me
let me check.
Oh,
Oh,
there's some
there's
dust
some dust
inside.
inside.
A clogged nozzle reduces suction power. Try cleaning it with compressed air.
Okay,
done.
Let's test again.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
now
it's
it's
picking up components
components
properly.
properly.
Hi, we had an issue with the SMT machine in line 3, station 2.
What was the problem?
First,
First,
there was a
vacuum pressure low error.
We found
We
a
found a
loose
loose vacuum hose and fixed it.
Good. Anything else?
Then we got a feeder sensor error. The sensor lens was dirty, and the infrared beam was blocked by dust.
Nice work troubleshooting. Anything else?
The
The pick and place head wasn't picking up components properly.
We found
We
a
found a
nozzle
nozzle
clog and cleaned it.
That's excellent. Next time, check the vacuum pressure settings and sensor calibration regularly.
Will do.
And make sure to report issues clearly from now on.
Yeah. Excuse me, the SMT machine stopped due to a vacuum pressure low error.
We found
We
a
found a
loose
loose vacuum hose.
See?
I
I
got this.
Good job.
Very good. Have you been able to recap all the new vocabulary together with the main ideas and detail of the dialogue? Very good. Now let's move to a speaking practice. As usual, you can see on the 3 left columns, we have the key vocabulary of today's lesson with the meaning in English and Vietnamese. Now let's start. Why did the SMT machine stop? Because of a vacuum pressure low error. What happens if the vacuum pressure is too low? The pick and place head cannot pick up components properly. How did you find the problem? I heard a hissing sound and checked the vacuum hose. What was wrong with the vacuum hose? It was loose, which caused a vacuum pressure low error. How did you fix the vacuum pressure issue? I secured the vacuum hose and restarted the machine. What error appeared after fixing the vacuum pressure issue? The feeder sensor error appeared. Why did the fender sensor error occur? The sensor lens was dirty and the infrared beam was blocked. What did you do to fix the feeder sensor error? I cleaned the sensor lens and checked the sensor alignment. What issue appeared after fixing the feeder sensor? The pick and place head kept missing components. What caused the pick and place issue? The nozzle was clogged, reducing suction power. How did you fix the nozzle clog? I cleaned the nozzle with compressed air. How did you report the issue to the technician? I said, "Excuse me, the SMT machine in line 3, station 2, stopped due to a vacuum pressure low error." That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. See you soon.